I've got my mint that I picked yesterday and now I'm going to prep it to make some tea. So I'm going to dry most of these leaves to preserve them. So this is my little herb dryer. So I've laid out all the leaves so they're nice and flat, and I've put the flowers in here as well. I'm not sure if I can put these in the tea, but I'll find that out later. Okay, so lid on, and I'm going to set that at, say, about 60, and I'm going to give that maybe an hour or two. And while I wait, I'm going to have a fresh cup. So the last sprig of leaves literally went in with some hot water, and it was absolutely delicious. The colour was amazing, and I can't wait to see how the dried leaves turn out.